Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to transfer your LoL settings between accounts. First of all, close the League of Legends client completely. Then open File Explorer and go to the following folder: Riot Games, then League of Legends, then Config. Here you will find key files like input.ini and persisted settings.json. These files store your custom keybinds, interface preferences, and more. Copy this file to a safe location like your desktop. Now, log into your other League account and play a quick practice game. This will generate a new config folder for the second account. Once that's done, go back to the new account's config folder located in the same directory. Replace the input.ini and persisted settings.json files with the ones you saved earlier. Finally, log back into your account and hop into a game to confirm your settings are transferred successfully. And that's it. Your settings are now identical across accounts. If this helped, like and subscribe for more league tips. Thanks for watching.